We'll guide you through how to post a thread on X. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To post a thread on X, begin by opening Chrome on your desktop computer. Tap the search box at the top of the browser and type X to search for the platform. Press Enter to navigate directly to the website. Select the official X website link from your search results to ensure you reach the correct page. On the home page, click Sign Up with Google for easy login using your existing Google account. Choose the specific Google account you want to use for your new X profile from the list provided. Scroll down the account page and select Continue to proceed with the registration process. Type your birth date by picking the month, day, and year from the provided options carefully. Read the terms and conditions thoroughly, then select Sign Up to create your account officially. X will suggest several usernames. Pick one you like or create your own custom username instead. Select Next to confirm your chosen username and move forward to the next step. When asked about notifications, select Skip for now to continue setting up your profile. Pick your preferred language from the menu and select Next to proceed forward. Pick the topics and interests you want to appear on your X feed to personalize it. Select Next to confirm your choices and continue through the setup process. Follow at least one account to finish setting up your profile completely. Select Next to complete the initial setup process and reach your dashboard. To make a thread, you must add at least 2 messages to your post to create one. From your X home feed, find the text box and tap it to start a new post. Type your first message for the thread in the text box. Select the plus button next to the post button to add another message. Type your second message for the thread. Select the plus button again to add a third message to continue. Type your third message to complete your thread content. Check that the privacy setting shows everyone can reply to ensure your thread is public. Select Post All to publish your entire thread at once to all your followers. Your thread has been posted successfully.